way with a good speed. That's nice to see. Now to see which way we must go. There's a tour group ahead of us, so we're just going up the stairs. Marol, should we stretch our legs and go up the stairs?
I take that one.
Yeah? Okay, I'll follow. It's smoother filming also. So this is both the ending of our flight review of our flight with China Airlines on a Boeing 777, and it's also the beginning of a transit walk from an Asian flight, heading for an EU flight, or flight from Frankfurt to Copenhagen on a SAS Scandinavian Airlines aircraft. We have to find out now what gate we are going to. According to the aircraft connection flight information on the flight we just came off, it's at gate B. And we think it's at gate A, if I got that right. So just follow the signs once you get here. I'm not even sure where we've arrived, Maro. What gate have we arrived at?
Excuse me, where we go?
Thank you. And some people hurry for their connection flights.
We have boarding pass and it says A.
It's the Copenhagen, it's leaving at 9:30. Please double check, right? This is the
Yes.
A25 already.
B12.
Ah, okay, well then
B12.
it's different than from...
Yes.
Do we need new boarding passes?
SK6.
Yeah, 640.
640, it's B12.
B12.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do we need new boarding passes?
Oh, no, just the gates changed. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. So now we gotta go to B. Heading for B as soon as. Yes.
Okay, yeah, one way.
Lucky. Thank you. We're just about to go in the wrong direction. We're heading for gates B. So let's follow Maro. After such a long landing, it's nice to stretch the legs. Now, oh, you look down there. There's the departure area. I've never actually seen the departure area of Frankfurt Airport. Very sterile. You can see a highway over there. Looks like a highway just outside. A lot of cars passing by quickly. D is upstairs. So when you're walking this route, just follow the signs. It's very easy. Maybe Maro will walk up a bit. It's good for the stretching. And we're gonna have to pass through immigration and security for our next flight. Looks like we're gonna be taking a shuttle train from here, just left. We have to wait for the next one. Takes what, 150 seconds. The train just arrived.
This train goes to Terminal 1. Concourses A, B,
Yeah.
C, Z, and
So that's our
railway
train.
stations.
We're on the wrong side.
Please do not
Let's go
board.
down there.
This train does not continue.
There we go. Well, then there's not much view.
Side there.
I can see from here. There's Maro sitting here. This is what the train looks like.
Zug fährt ab. Bitte festhalten. Train is departing. Please hold on to the handrails.
So that's where we go. Might as well zoom out. The train about to cross it.
Anfahrt nächste Station. Bitte festhalten. Approaching next station. Please hold on to the handrails.
Station 0. See, yeah, and next to us. Yeah. Oh, there goes an A380. Two A380. Oh, yes. Singapore Airlines and a Thai Airways A380. Lovely. What a good timing. See both at once. And here comes our station.
Anfahrt nächste Station. Bitte festhalten. Approaching next station. Please hold on to the handrail.
It's a lovely day here in Germany.
The car was nice.
That's us now.
there.
Yeah. Take that again. Is it that way? Yep, so it is. And I'll just follow you again. Yeah. Is this where we got off last time? So Maro's leading the way. And we made it to Gates B, which is where our flight should be leaving from. Or the B area, or the B direction. It's called, towards B. Still have to pass immigration and security. Seems familiar, this area. Yeah, we were here last time. I remember that camel smoking box there.
Oh,
The Dreamliner over there.
yeah. Singapore Airlines there, one landing.
Yeah, lovely. Is that immigration here? It looks like. What is this? Yeah. Ah, there's immigration, so I'll end here and we'll start when we've passed immigration. So now we've just passed through immigration and we're carrying on the walk. B is downstairs. And there we have it. That's exactly where we came last time. So it's down there. Let's go this way down. You can lead the way. Get a better photo of that this time.
You're on.
Oh, there we go. Now it's just in front of me and I just want to get a nice photo of this area. Didn't get it last time we came here. If I'm not mistaken, our gate should be just to the left, which it is, like last time. We'll be down in that direction and we'll probably have to pass through security when we get there. So straight ahead now, we're going to pass through security, so I can't film there. So we'll begin filming again when we've passed through security just up ahead. So we just passed security now also. Now we're on our way to our gate. What was the gate number again? B12. So B12 is straight ahead and to the right, if I remember from last time. And that means that there's a good pretzel place for Maro and a pastry place for me. Unless we try something completely different.
You can pay with the Taiwanese dollar.
No, we'll save those for our next trip there. We will return to Taiwan. Let's see when. Yeah. Yeah, that's where we bought water last time.
As a matter of fact, there's a buy of water now also.
Just find a place to sit first, and then we'll buy waters. B12, straight ahead. Straight ahead we have gates B10 to 13. And we're going to find our gate now. Yep, the area looks familiar. We've done this walk before. Straight ahead there. We have gates B10 to 13. And I believe it's the same gate as we had last time. It is indeed. B12.
They have all that pretzel place there in the
Yeah. And there it is. Just won't be our flight yet on it.